Stop, don't say, "Give me key." Say this instead and sound polite instantly. Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy Talk English. Today you will learn English for hotels.
Sara, last time I said give me key.
Oh no, Adam. But don't worry, today you will learn what to say, what not to say, and how to sound polite. Let's start. You arrive at a hotel.
Hello, how can I help you?
Give me room.
No. Say I have a reservation. I'd like to check in. Repeat.
I'd like to check in.
Again.
I'd like to check in.
Say your name.
My name is Adam.
Give your ID.
Here is my ID. Food morning when?
Say, what time is breakfast? Is breakfast included?
What time is breakfast? Is breakfast included? Wi-Fi password.
Say, is there Wi-Fi? What is the Wi-Fi password?
Is there Wi-Fi? What is the Wi-Fi password? Room bad.
Say, there is a problem. The room is not clean.
There is a problem. The room is not clean.
Always say, please. Thank you. Don't say give me water, say can I have water, please.
Hello, welcome, how can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation.
What's your name?
My name is Adam.
Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, here is my ID.
Here is your key.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
It's on your card.
Is breakfast included?
Yes,
What time is breakfast?
7 to 10 a.m.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We learned these sentences. I have a reservation. I'd like to check in. My name is Adam. Here is my ID. Is breakfast included? What time is breakfast? Is there Wi-Fi? What is the password? Can you help me? Thank you. Repeat after me. I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
I'd like to check in.
I'd like to check in.
My name is Adam.
My name is Adam.
Here is my ID.
Here is my ID.
Is breakfast included?
Is breakfast included?
What time is breakfast?
What time is breakfast?
Is there Wi-Fi?
Is there Wi-Fi?
What is the password?
What is the password?
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Comment I'd like to check in. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. See you next lesson. Bye-bye.